Can we go on a horse ride?
A horse ride? We have horses at home.
That horse ride right there, Dad.
Yeah, those horses are cooler than ours. All right, Kayla, what's your favorite part about the county fair?
Animals.
The animals?
What did you call it? The Puke-a-Whirl?
Not the Puke-a-Whirl. There's too many people here. I don't know if I want to go. Hey, what is this person doing?
What's
You can't park there.
Where are they going?
What are you doing?
Oh, I feel bad for them.
You can't. They're lost. They can't park there.
Wait, where?
Why are you following someone that doesn't know where they're going?
I'm following that truck with the nice rims.
Look, there's another horse ride.
That's what our horses will be doing next year. What's your favorite part about the county fair?
Animals.
Summer, what's your favorite part about the
Animals.
which animals? The pigs?
Oh, the food.
No.
I really want to see
The pigs, last year they had a disease. I want to
Alright.
go on the horse ride.
Last year they had the swine flu. We're at the county fair. Every year in August they have, here in our county, they have a county fair, just like every county probably across the country. But we enjoy coming here, pretty much all of us. I think it's unanimous. We like to see the animals the most. So, and I like to eat junk food too. I don't know. That's my favorite part, but animals also. So we're gonna go check out some animals and some other things and see what they've got this year.
Can I ride a horse?
We'll go on the horse ride, okay? Okay. All right. First up, Kayla, horse barn.
I'm scared of the horse barn because they're huge and they smell weird.
Now this is what I need right here. It's a manure spreader. Look at that. Man, that's great. Look at the size of that horse. That is beautiful. That horse is easily 7 feet
So this is my favorite barn.
This is your favorite barn? I thought the horse barn was your favorite
I
barn.
love goats.
We have goats at home though, so. Look at all them little babies in here. Holy smokes. So that's a really interesting goat hay feeder. I've never seen that before. It looks like they can pull the hay through the little holes in the barrel. I'll have to try that. All right. So apparently we're figuring out all the kinds of goats that we have.
Yeah, I want one. Look at them.
I know this one was really nice. These are Boers.
Big boy.
Well, one of the reasons why we never really take part in the fairs with all our animals is because, like the goats specifically, you'll see none of them here have horns. You have to just bud your goats in order to bring them up here for the fair, and so since we don't really do that and don't really want to, that kind of excludes us from for bringing the goats up here. So otherwise we probably would. So these are the Nigerian dwarfs.
Best goats
And they are the best. You can tell they're the best because they have those ribbons. All right, now it's the cow barn, and we all really want cows at our farm. So maybe we'll find somebody who wants to sell us some here. We'll see.
Oh my gosh.
Look how big they are. Ah, those are.
These are closer to the size of our horses.
These ones are a little bit smaller, a smaller breed. But the problem is that at this fair they don't really have any signs about what kind of cows they are. So we'll have to look around. I really like how they did the center truss on this, or center beam on this barn. It's made out of a bunch of like 2x8s or 2x12s. Here it is. This is where I want to be. So these are, I don't know what kind of sheep these are. I like these kind right here.
No, they're dirty.
Well, I mean, they don't have to be dirty, do they?
Look how cute. Their faces.
Hey, no, get away from me.
He sees himself.
He's like, what are you doing?
Oh, where's Krusty? Are you Krusty?
Hey, Dad, I want this kind of goat.
That's a sheep, honey.
It's hard because I'm used to saying goat. No,
I think he's really noisy, so they put a muzzle on him.
no. to bite, so he puts it on his mouth.
Maybe he's a biter. I don't know. So we did find one breed of sheep in here that's called a polypay. Looks like a hybrid of some sort, developed in the U.S. And so we might look into that. And if any of you guys have any experience with them out there, let me know. But it looks like a good sheep to get, and that's definitely something that we've been looking into doing. So
It's an experiment.
Wikipedia says it was developed at the U.S. Experiment Station or something. So sounds awesome. Here's the rabbits.
I love
and the
rabbits.
chickens. All right.
Sometimes they bite.
The many cages of rabbits. Look at that. Ooh, those ones are big. Last year I came in here and I saw all these metal cages with these bunnies, and I thought, man, that's just horrible, all these bunnies in their little metal cages. And then I built the bunny hotel out of wood and realized why bunny cages are best built out of metal. That's a Netherland dwarf. It's little. Oh, look at... Hey, wait a second. The size of that one. That's a big rabbit right there. That's a lot of meat. I mean...
What? Ah, that's so cute.
Look at that one. What is that? Yeah, we recognize this one. We have one of them. Yeah, it's a cochin. That is the littlest rooster I've ever seen. Russian tumbler. Oh, we recognize these guys. Unfortunately. Yeah, that is not a duck. That is a goose. But that is a Peking, or Peking. That white one right there. That's what we have. Are you happy now? You're riding the horses. Are you happy? So Kayla, me and you will ride that spinning ride right there. The one that goes upside down. Does that sound good?
So me and you will like not ever do that?
Here's one. Oh yeah. Thanks for the ride.
Do you want your...
Well, that's something right there. Pumpkin made out of horseshoes. That's cool too. This looks like okay. We got soybeans in here, corn. I don't know how you win. Like, what's better? What makes your wheat better than oats?
What's the rabbit's
Yeah, it's some pretty good hay.
Fluffy hay?
So this one is first place. This looks like a lot of grass and alfalfa. Yeah, our early maple syrup would have easily
Look at maple
won.
walnut.
That's awesome. Oh man, we missed the chainsaw carving. Get all them saws in there.
Look at that over there.
I could do that. No, probably not. Look at that. That is so cool. Look at that. Nice. Hey, they got some chrome exhaust on that thing. How many trailers you pulling? Wish we had a tractor with a belt drive on it. That'd be cool. That is awesome right there. Summer. All right, Summer, jump up in there. Sit in that.
Dad, can I actually?
Yeah, sit in there and see if anyone yells at you.
Can I get some?
All right, so my favorite part. So what'd you get?
Corn dog.
Corn dog. We got French fries.
Ketchup.
A lamb gyro is what I got.
Disgusting.
Oh, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna test out, when we get sheep, what lamb's gonna be like.
You're gonna kill them?
Kayla, what'd you get?
Chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders.
And Coke.
Look
That's
at
what I
that. Look at
got
the
too.
size of them potatoes. This is like a whole baked potato. That's awesome. Now what'd you get to eat?
Cake funnel. I mean,
A cake funnel?
Cake.
A funnel cake. This is mine.
No, it's mine.
What did you get?
So I got mint chocolate chip ice cream, but then I'm also eating the rest of Summer's funnel
It
cake.
was too big for me.
Oh, that's cider slushy for me. So what rides do you want to go on?
I want to go go on the Ferris wheel. The one that me and Eva went on last time. It was like the really spinny one.
The
And then
apple or the strawberry spinny one?
No, the really spinny one, like you're in the air and you're in this. Like,
Oh, okay.
well, I'm sure we'll find it. And then the spinning strawberry one.
Okay. Which ones do you want to go on?
Ferris wheel. That's it.
Oh, like
Or
play.
like the, not arcade, but like the, you know.
You mean like play all the games that you can't win?
Yeah.
What ride do you want to go on?
Upside down.
You want to go on the puke circle?
Puke-a-Whirl.
You ready for the tilt-a-whirl?
I'm so excited. Look, Dad, we did this last year. And I'm so excited.
Kayla doesn't like these rides.
This ride.
So it wasn't that bad, was it?
But Dad, ours is going so fast that your head just goes like this and it like, you just go back.
All right, go.
I'm going first.
Oh, it stopped.
Not that
Where are you going? Here comes the SSL family mom. Oh no! Stop it. You can drive that thing just fine. Oh. All right, so we are, well, we're done. We're on the way out of here. Sounds like they're having the figure 8 race right there.
That's so awesome.
I think my favorite ride was the twirly one.
The twirly one? The twist-a-twirl? I didn't get any video on that one, I don't think.
Yeah,
I was going
because
That's my least
You wouldn't have
favorite.
been able to.
because his phone would have fell out of.
I just spun the fastest and
Yeah, I don't know what was wrong with our thing, but we went so fast.
I think I like the bumper cars, but
I liked colliding with you.
Mom, did you?
well, we're back from the fair and it's back to reality. Every year we like to go up there just for a few hours. We're not big into all the games and spending too much money up there, but the fair is nice and it's nice to see the animals and just check out what everybody's doing. This is a very, very rural community that we live in out here, and so it's always nice to just go up there. That's the big thing around here, the county fair, and everybody's up there at some point during the week. So, did you have fun at the fair?
Yes.
Yeah. What was your favorite thing again?
Rides.
Rides, yeah. Well, when we went in, the favorite thing was the animals. Now the favorite thing is rides. So hopefully, guys, like tagging along with us today. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on the video, as always, guys. If you don't mind, it always makes a big difference for us. There'll be some videos coming out about how we get away and take a vacation. Can you even take a vacation when you have a farm? We always animals to take care of and everything else. How do you do it? So we're going to go through all that, lots of camping stuff, and that should be fun. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.